Today we will be going over the 1 mile jogging test, the 1 mile Rockport walking test, equations to measure VO2 max, and of course equipment needed. Now let's get started. For these two tests we will need the following: paper, pencil, calculator, scale, track, a time watch, heart rate monitor, proper exercise attire, proper tennis shoes, preferably for running. Our first test is called the 1 mile jogging test. In 1993, George and his colleagues developed this test to prevent greater risks. The 1 mile jogging test was designed for women and men between the ages 8 to 29 years old, which only requires moderate steady state exertion. Now, before we begin, select a comfortable, moderate jogging pace. To finish this test, it is estimated men should finish in 8 and 9 minutes for females. The client will now begin jogging at their own comfortable pace or on the track. Time will be recorded. Once time has been recorded, we will immediately measure our client's post-exercise heart rate. We'll be using the palpation technique. We will count for 15 seconds and multiply that number by 4 using the radial pulse. Pulse should not exceed 180 beats per minute. Example, use your first 2 fingers to measure the radial pulse. To measure the radial pulse, measure for 15 seconds and use that number and multiply by 4. If you can't measure the heart rate from here, use a carotid pulse and do the same thing. Show the client his time once he is finished. Now that we know what the 1 mile jogging test is, we will now go over the 1 mile walking test. The 1 mile walking test was developed in 1986 by the Rockport Walking Institute to assess the cardiorespiratory fitness for men and women ages 20 to 69. This test requires clients to only walk fast. Clients will walk the flat and uninterrupted track for 1 mile as quickly as possible. Calculate the cardiorespiratory fitness level while also using the generalized equation to estimate vital clients. Once the client finishes walking, show him his time. We went over the equipment needed, the 1 mile jogging test, the 1 mile Rockport walking test, and how to calculate VO2 max for these tests. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching.